Hey guys, so I am filming on my phone right now. I gotta make sure I look at the camera and not at myself because people get really triggered by that for some reason. So yeah, I am doing just a quick makeup look, like something you could do if you don't really want to, beat your face. Cause I feel like I always beat my face, like all the time, 99% of the time I do a full beat. But then I have like some days where I'm like, bitch, do I really want to do my makeup? And I'd be like, well, yeah, but I don't want to do my makeup. So I have like a shortened, condensed, simple makeup look. No, for real, this is simple. This is a simple makeup look. I know I be saying simple makeup look and then I come out with a smoky eye, but like this shit, anybody could do this. So I just did my eyebrows. Usually when I do this look, I just do some messy ass, ugly ass brows. But since I'm on camera, I wanted to make sure my eyebrows are kind of okay. Like they're not that good. Like they're not as good as I would usually do them, but they're okay. Like I think they're symmetrical. I think. I started off by priming. I use my professional. Y'all know that's my shit. I'm going to use a little bit of foundation for this look. I'm going to use my Kat Von D and I'm going to mix it with my CoverGirl True Blend foundation. I'm only using like about half a pump of each just because I don't really want too much foundation on my face today. I'm just gonna like spread it out everywhere and kind of blend it in. I'm avoiding my eyelids because I don't really like foundation up there. I mean like on there. So, and I really focused the coverage like around my cheeks. I put like the least amount on my forehead. The point is just to kind of get like a flawless base. Not really flawless, but like, cute. So, just blending that in. This makeup look, I think maybe takes at least 15 minutes. But I am gonna title this 5-minute makeup look because I feel like that makes the video look better. Like 5-minute makeup look. Oop, click. But really that shit takes like 15 minutes. Cause I know people lie. They be like 2-minute makeup look. Bitch, you is not gonna get your makeup done in 2 minutes. Who is you lying to? It takes me 2 minutes to put on my fucking primer. Like, girl, bye. So I'm just spreading this, oh shit. Spreading this shit around. My hair looks really bad. I need to I just washed it yesterday. I need to straighten it or something. Okay, I think I blended this enough and I'm already 5 minutes into this video. So I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer. This is my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Chestnut. I'm just gonna put that much underneath my eyes, a little bit on my nose, and that's it. And I'm just gonna quickly blend those out. I don't want super heavy coverage today. Obviously, I've been saying that this whole time. So yeah, just trying to make your face look a little cute at least, but you don't have to put on loads of makeup. I know there's people out there that don't really like to do their makeup in the morning before school or work or whatever. So this video is for you, my non-makeup lovers. I got you. you know, the people that just put makeup on because they have to, or not they have to, but like they feel like it's part of their routine. Not so much that they like doing makeup. I got you, sis. This video is for you. So once we blend that concealer out, I'm now going to set my face with some powder. I'm using my Ben Nye powder in Topaz. Don't judge me, my brush broke, so I'm only using the top and the handle is somewhere, I don't know. I'm just gonna basically put this powder everywhere. Ooh, don't get this shit in your nose because you will be sneezing. Just throw that shit everywhere. You don't gotta be neat with it. Oh, bitch.
Huh?
You see I'm filming?
I didn't see.
Some people just walking to my room. Are you gonna close my door?
Yeah, I'm looking for the laptop.
It's over there in the corner. Shake my head.
No.
So I'm gonna let that sit for like about 3 minutes and I'm gonna dust it off because we don't want to be too beat, because that's the goal of today's video. Alright, so it's been about 3 minutes. I'm gonna dust this off real quick. You know, just kind of press it in because we still want the coverage there, but not too much because, like I said, that's the purpose of today's video. To be super light, and not heavy. So now I'm gonna put some blush on. Y'all, look at my blush. This shit is cracked. Fuck, I need a new one. Just kind of shit just happens to me, and I don't deserve this. I don't. So I'm just gonna put a tiny little bit. Ooh. And we're just gonna leave it, and that's the end of the tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. No, I'm kidding. We're not gonna leave our blush like this unless you're going for a clown kind of look. Whew. We're just gonna blend this shit in really good. I feel like I still put too much on, but it's okay. It's just blush. At least it's not contour. I feel like if you put too much blush, you can look clownish, but it's better than having too much bronzer. Okay, I think I look fine. Now last step is some mascara, and I'm just gonna I'm using Maybelline Great Lash. I don't even know if anybody uses this mascara anymore, or if it's like so 2014. But this is the only mascara I ever use for my non-existent lashes. It doesn't matter what mascara I use, my lashes don't exist. So I'm just gonna put some underneath as well. And that's pretty much it for the makeup look. I'm gonna go touch up my lip gloss a little bit because I like that shit to be super glossy. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I don't know. Please subscribe. Your girl needs subscribers, so please subscribe, comment, like, whatever. And I will see you guys next time.